Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button, and also don't forget to smash like button. People are reacting to a video ya Constable Gqebe Khululinda lona teti lo ashiye emhlabeni ngemva kokuthi babe missing since from last week at Thursday. Batholakala itolo lapha eHinopsdam eCenturion go-N1 mtimba yabo itolo. So bekwi-birthday yakhe last week, birthday mhla ka-22 April 2025, and people are saying ukuthi shem nkosi yami kwaze kuba buhlungu. People are really sad. Awubheke phasi phezulu nje emhlaba wonke umuntu omangele ukuthi nkosi yami ngubani lobambe lamaphoyisa, and people are really concerned ekutheni iphi imoto. If amaphoyisa they are claiming ukuthi this was an accident, then why imoto ingakatholakali next to them? Because obviously if it was an accident bekumele imoto etholakale, or part of the car itholakale, khombisa xa ishayisile, but the car is nowhere to be found. Loko abantu kokuthi basole ukuthi kungani ngazuthi la kule case kunesandla semfene. So TikTok has had a lot to say. Uthi yena Disto laphana ku TikTok, ungalali bhodi wami, want to say justice done on your behalf. We need closure as South African. Uthi pay yami yena, I can't stop crying whenever I see their videos. I follow the whole story yesterday. My heart bleeds. Uthi machakela abelihle yena, rest easy son. I'm a mom too. It cuts so deep. So people are really heartbroken story salapho Constable laba dream. May their soul rest in peace. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.